The next thing you can do to change your life is clean up your environment. What I mean with cleaning up your environment, evaluate. Okay, is there too much distraction and activity going on in your mind, in your body, in your environment? Clean up your emails. If you're like me, I get so many junk emails. Ooh, I'm so scared to look at the junk box. I just delete everything, So clean up or clean up your computer, disks that are lying around, photos. Some of you are stuck in 10, 20 years ago because maybe you looked great during that time and you hold on to that vision, yet there is a freshness in the air for something new to evolve, to work with the new experienced person you've become, so clean up and release all the old baggage. Let it go, let it rest, forgive what you have to forgive, leave the past in the past, look forward to what is yet to come and unveil itself, because we are all in a process of evolution and changing for the better. But there is no space if your environment is full of things of long time ago that you're carrying along, burdensome. You don't need that. So you're going to clean up